Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing a brand factory haul with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get on into this video. So the first item that I got is this really beautiful shirt. It's in a peachish nude color and this has a detailing on the bottom. It has a high-low detailing and it also has a collar. So yeah, this is the first item. The next item that I got is this top for my workout of my gym wear. So yeah, earlier I used to go to the gym, but now I do work out at home. So yeah, this was the next top. It's to get ready and it also comes with an underlayer. So first you have to wear this tank top and over this you have to wear this black top. So yeah, this was the second purchase. So the next top that I got is again from Umbro and this is the top. It's a plain basic top and it has a whole shoulder and it has a little bit of detailing. It's written undefeated. So yeah, this was a plain black neck top. The next top that I got is again a really beautiful top. It is a sheer top and it's in a nude color and it has specks of glitter and the sleeves is firstly cold shoulder and then there are elastic detailing on the whole sleeve. So yeah, this is the next top. I got this for my birthday and this is from Zinc London. So the next top that I got is from Lee Cooper. So this was the next top. It's a really beautiful mesh top which has tropical print all over it and it also comes with an underlayer. You have to wear this spaghetti top first and then over this you have to wear the top. And the best part is that this spaghetti top has adjustable straps, so that's really nice. So yeah, this was the next top. So the next thing I got is a bottom. So this is the only bottom I got and this is again from Umbro. Like they make one of the best workout gear. So yeah, I bought this bottom. Again for my workout, this is a leggings and this also has a detailing on the bottom. It has a zip detailing on the bottom. So the next top that I got is again a very basic plain baby pink top and this I got for just lounging in. So yeah, it's written live, love and play and this is again from Umbro. The quality of all these tops are like really nice. So yeah, this was the next top. And the next top that I got is from Denim Jeans in Casual. This is a all white plain basic top, but it again has really nice detailing on the sleeve. It has these peplum sleeves and also at the back it has these cute little buttons. So this is the next top. I'm sorry, I forgot to add in this top. The next top that I got was this really beautiful black mesh top and it has flower embroidery all over the top. It's like such a cute and pretty top. I just loved it. And the last thing that I got from Brand Factory was this really beautiful yellow top. It's from Shyla and it has again a detailing on the sleeve. It has this tassel detailing on the sleeve and this I again got for loungewear or when you're going out somewhere. So yeah, it was like a really nice and comfortable top. So yeah. Okay, so I also got two clothing items from Reliance Trends. So I just wanted to put that also in this haul. So yeah, this is a jogger pant. It's in a light grey color and it has yellow and white stripes on the side. I just loved this jogger pant and to go with it I got a top. So I got this top. This is from Team Spirit. It has a really nice detailing on the bottom, elastic detail, and it is written Team Spirit on the center. And this is like a really nice breathable material again for my workout or for dancing. It's like really nice. So yeah. So that's it for my haul, guys. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, then please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel below and hit the bell notification so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified, and also leave comments what you guys want to watch next on my channel. So until then, bye bye, see ya.